Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raquel Joy. Today I'm going to be demonstrating and showing you one of my best line of the product that I have really incorporated into, and I've invested in my money, and it has really been working out effectively, and I have really loved it. It's not so expensive. It's something that is very affordable. I don't know what you call expensive, but for me, what I call expensive is something that I would love to buy and I cannot afford it. But this one, I love to buy it and I can afford to buy it. So that's what I'm saying. It's very affordable in my language. So this product is called Izana. Izana. Yeah. Isana. In English, you would call it Isana because of the S, and in Germany, we call it Izana. Sorry, it's because of the area where I'm living. This product, I'm going to start by showing you why I love it and why it's gonna be very, very affordable for everyone. Number one, this body scrub that you see right over here, the Izana body scrub, the Izana body cream, Moments of Manura. It costs, I bought this from Roseman, I have my receipt. This cream costed €1.99. Why can't you really just look good? Why would you really even run and search for different products that are very extremely expensive? And it's on the ink. I checked. Let me just check on my phone. Oh my gosh. Oh, sometimes the dresses that we wear in cameras. Okay. Yeah. I really see that the Ink Beauty, like this product has the list already with the ingredients. Once this is done on the ink, it's then you're all good to go. So you don't have really to think like, oh my god, maybe the products were not really approved by the chambers of commerce or whatsoever. In the beauty industry, this one is the ink. It's okay. Yeah. Wow, this was proved. It was approved. So please, if you're living in Germany, go ahead and buy yourself this product. And basically, if you are a woman of color like me, this product is from originally, most of the products are from they are gotten from Africa. I read something about Africa, so I was like, oh my god. Anyway, I really need to go and grab this one. Okay, I don't want to read German because I might be confusing myself. Number two, what do I have right here? I have the peeling. Remember, I've been really trying to show you on how you can keep your skin glow and have a beautiful skin, soft and very, So this is also a scrub. Remember, I use the Rituals, which I still have here. I use body scrub, I use Dove from Pomegranate, I use the Rituals, and once I also found the one from Izana. My goodness, this is from Izana peeling. I have never used it. Let me check. Anyway, it's still so new. As you can really see, I have never opened it. I have never used it, but I just know the line. It's amazing. The oil, this oil is, you can really tell. Can you see? The oil is almost gone. Like this was a full bottle, but you can really see like it's almost like empty. I've been using this. Once I scrub my body, I use this body oil, and it's just for the body, and I'm good to go. Raquel loves taking good care of herself. Okay, it's kind of clear in the appearance, but a little bit also very liquid. So it smells a little bit like almond. I will have to come back and give you the review on how it really works, but I have not used the body scrub, but I'm sure I'm going to be using it. So this one costed €4. No, it costed €2.99. How amazing is really that? So I got the body cream, same line, very simple video. And then I also bought the sugar body scrub, and I also have the body cream. So it depends on what I want to use after the scrub. So please go ahead and find yourself something that is very good in your line and very affordable. Let's try to look after ourselves. Raquel Joy, your girl. If you haven't, please subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe on my video, on my channel. If you like them, please leave a comment below, and then just feel free to share my videos. Raquel Joy is going to be giving you more ideas on how you can look after yourselves. And do not forget to drink water. Water is very important. Bye guys, see you in my other coming videos. Check out my other new videos that I've been uploading, and then you can maybe find something that is going to help you. If this wasn't very helpful for you, maybe the previous videos might help you. Raquel Joy, your girl. Thank you so much for watching.